What's up, car enthusiasts? Some vehicles die at 100,000 miles, but others crush 250,000 miles like it's nothing. I've got the latest 2025 data on which cars, trucks, and SUVs are most likely to hit 250,000 miles. Based on analyzing 400 million vehicles, the average car has just a 4.8% chance. But these survivors are rewriting the rules. Let's count down the top 12. Starting our countdown at number 12, the Acura MDX. Don't let its luxury badge fool you. This Acura SUV has a 9.1% chance of reaching 250,000 miles, nearly twice the industry average. That's Honda reliability with premium touches. The current generation packs a 3.5-liter V6 with 290 horsepower, seats up to 7. And here's the kicker. It's consistently rated as one of the most reliable three-row luxury SUVs. Fun fact, MDX owners are reporting average annual maintenance costs of just $571. That's lower than most luxury sedans. Number 11 will surprise hybrid skeptics, the Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid has a 31% chance of lasting 250,000 miles. This isn't your typical gas-sipping compromise vehicle. We're talking about a 243 horsepower hybrid system that can haul 8 people and get 36 miles per gallon combined. The secret sauce? Toyota's proven hybrid tech combined with their legendary reliability. Current generation seats 7 or 8 comes standard with all-wheel drive, and prices range from $47,770 to $55,425. After 25 years in production, Toyota has perfected this formula. At number 10, we've got America's workhorse, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado has an 18.8% chance of hitting 250,000 miles, proving American trucks can go the distance. Chevrolet sold over 500,000 of these last year, and there's a reason why. Whether you get the 2.7-liter Turbo 4, the 5.3-liter V8, or the monster 6.2-liter V8, these engines are built for abuse. Towing capacity up to 13,300 pounds, and with proper maintenance, you're looking at decades of reliable service. Fleet managers love these trucks because they just keep going. Number 9 brings luxury to longevity, the Lexus GX. The GX 550 was all new for 2024, based on the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser platform. We're talking about a 349 horsepower twin-turbo V6 with a 10-speed automatic and full-time 4-wheel drive. This isn't just a mall crawler. It's a legitimate off-road beast that happens to have heated massage seats. The GX consistently appears on longest-lasting vehicle lists, combining Land Cruiser toughness with Lexus luxury. Yes, prices range from $65,285 to $81,750. But you're buying a vehicle that could outlast your mortgage. Number 8 is the midsize champion, Toyota Tacoma. The Tacoma has a 26.7% chance of reaching 250,000 miles and sold nearly 200,000 units in 2024, staying ahead of the Colorado and Ranger for good reason. The 4th generation Tacoma launched with 3 different versions of the 2.4-liter Turbo 4, giving you options from basic work truck to premium adventure machine. Prices range from $32,995 to $53,595. And here's the beautiful part. These things hold their value like crazy because everyone knows they last forever. Lucky number 7, the Honda Ridgeline. Don't let the car-based platform fool you. The top 1% of Ridgelines have made it past 248,669 miles. This is Honda reliability in truck form, and it's brilliant. The Ridgeline does things differently. Independent rear suspension for a car-like ride, that genius in-bed trunk for secure storage, and a 5,000-pound towing capacity. It's the thinking person's truck, and Honda's reputation for building engines that run forever carries over perfectly here. At number 6, the family hauler that won't quit, Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban ranks 7th in the iSeeCars 2024 study, being 2.5 times more likely than average to reach 250,000 miles. This is America's longest-running nameplate for a reason. We're talking about seating for up to 9 people, massive cargo space, and towing capacity up to 8,400 pounds. The 5.3-liter V8 or available 6.2-liter V8 are proven workhorses. Police departments, large families, and businesses rely on these because when you need space and reliability, nothing else comes close. Before we reveal the top 5 longest lasting vehicles, if this data is helping you choose your next ride, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. This could save you thousands in the long run. Number 5 is the hybrid game changer, Toyota Prius. The top 1% of Prius models have odometers reading over 250,000 miles. And here's the thing, the current generation looks nothing like the old one. The 2023 redesign completely transformed the Prius from frumpy to fantastic. You're still getting incredible fuel economy, but now in a package that doesn't scream, "I drive 55 in the left lane." These cars are still running strong with original hybrid batteries after 15 plus years. That's engineering excellence. Number 4 brings legendary reliability, Toyota 4Runner. This is the SUV that refuses to die. While we don't have the exact 2025 percentage for the 4Runner, previous studies showed it consistently ranking in the top 5 longest-lasting SUVs. The secret? It's basically unchanged since 2010, and that's a good thing. The 4.0-liter V6 with 270 horsepower is bulletproof. Body-on-frame construction means it's built like a truck. Sure, it gets terrible fuel economy, and the interior is outdated. But 4Runner owners don't care, because these things are indestructible. Resale values prove it. 10-year-old 4Runners still sell for crazy money. The bronze medal goes to the Toyota Tundra. The top 1% of Tundras have at least 256,022 miles on the clock. This is Toyota's full-size truck answer to American dominance, and boy does it deliver. The Tundra consistently ranks above the truck segment average for longevity. The available 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 puts out serious power, but it's the legendary Toyota reliability that sets it apart. While Ford and Chevy sell more trucks, Tundra owners are the ones still driving them 20 years later. Coming in at number 2, the unstoppable Toyota Land Cruiser. The top 1% of Land Cruisers on the road have at least 280,236 miles. There's a reason Land Cruisers are the vehicle of choice for adventurers and off-road enthusiasts worldwide. This is the SUV that literally built Toyota's reputation for reliability. From Australian outback to African safaris, Land Cruisers have been going places other vehicles fear to tread for over 70 years. Previous studies showed the Land Cruiser with a 47.9% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. That's nearly 50-50 odds of hitting 250,000 miles. And the undisputed champion of longevity, the Toyota Sequoia. The Toyota Sequoia leads with a 39.1% predicted chance of reaching 250,000 miles, more than 8 times the industry average. The top 1% of Sequoias have at least 296,509 miles on their odometers. This is Toyota's largest SUV, built on the same platform as the Tundra. 3 rows of seating, massive cargo space, serious towing capacity, and that Toyota DNA that just refuses to quit. When you buy a Sequoia, you're not just buying transportation, you're buying a 20-year relationship. There you have it, the ultimate survivors of the automotive world. Notice a pattern? Toyota dominates with 10 of the top 25 positions in the 2025 study, but American trucks and luxury Japanese brands are fighting back. Here's the takeaway. Today's high vehicle costs make choosing a long-lasting model more important than ever. Buy smart, maintain properly, and you could save tens of thousands over your lifetime. Which of these vehicles surprised you the most? Drop a comment below, and if you're shopping for your next ride, remember, it's not just about the purchase price, it's about the total cost of ownership. Hit that like button if this data helped you out, subscribe for more automotive deep dives, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Until next time, keep those wheels turning and those odometers climbing.